Imagine I have a good friend who owns a hedge fund, and he comes to me and he says, listen, I've done an extensive amount of research, and this company is poised for success. I'm telling you, the IPO is in 2 months. This is a winner. Not being a wealthy person, but not being willing to risk not getting a chance at this, I take $10,000 and I buy into the initial public offering. And as my friend predicted, the stock takes off like a rocket. The 10,000 becomes 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. I finally sell out with $1 million profit. Wow. Imagine that I would say to myself, you know something? $1 million really isn't that much money. I mean, come on, Bill Gates is 40 billion, 50 billion. What's $1 million? You know, I'm sorry I did the whole thing. You know, $1 million, I'm not even really that wealthy. Forget it. I regret doing the whole thing. Obviously, that'd be silly. Because I'm not the wealthiest man in North America, it doesn't mean that $1 million isn't very valuable to me. And this is an important perspective that we have to have when working on not speaking Lashon Hara. Oftentimes we take the attitude, listen, I'm not going to be perfect. I'm not a tzaddik, and the odds of my actually guarding my tongue from now until I leave this planet are very slim. Well, that's 100% true. The reward that I get for every time I do close my mouth and every time that I don't speak is astronomical. And it's true, I may not be the biggest tzaddik in the world, and I may not get the biggest chelik in the world to come, but the reality is that every time I keep my mouth closed, every time I hold back, I gain reward that's astounding and amazing, and with that motivation should allow me to focus and learn to be more careful in what I say.